Airlines are gearing up for a busy holiday weekend as a more robust economy is fueling stronger demand for travel. CNBC's Phil LeBeau joins us with more. Hey, Phil.
Hey, Wilf, if you're taking a trip between now and next Tuesday, and that's what they're calling Labor Day weekend for the Airlines for America Industry Trade Group, it's going to be packed on the planes. That shouldn't come as a surprise given the fact what we're seeing with the economy. But the number of people expected to fly on U.S. airlines worldwide in the next week is going to be up about 3.5% compared to last year to a record 16.5 million people. That's the estimation from Airlines for America. This all dovetails with what we've been seeing for the airlines for a couple of months now. Strong economy, strong bookings, especially when it comes to business travelers. Moderating jet fuel prices, all of that is mixed into a stew and is producing some pretty good outlooks, if you will, for the airlines.
We are clearly hitting a place on demand where it's very strong. Airlines are very upbeat about continued strong economic growth. Household income is at all-time highs. So we're optimistic about the future.
It also helps that jet fuel prices have been moderating. You go back to June or July. Since then, they've pretty much plateaued and stayed at roughly the same area. That has been encouraging for investors, and that's why when you take a look at shares of United, Delta, American, yeah, these guys were kind of down in the dumps back in June, but they have had a decent move higher basically since early July, guys, and many believe that as you head into September and October, which tend to be pretty strong when it comes to business class bookings, that things should be improving even more for the airlines and for their investors.
Is the boom in bookings, Phil, domestic travel? How much do you know how much is international? I'm just wondering because there was a lot of hand-wringing over trade tensions and what that would do to this industry. That
has, first of all, on the trade tensions, that was more of a concern that really never materialized. Every time I talked with an executive in the airline industry, everybody said the same thing, like, yeah, we're not really seeing it impacting our bookings in terms of international flights. Where they're really noticing an increase, up 8% year over year, business class fares, those near-term bookings, that's where people are, corporations, the business travelers, they need those flights in a relatively short time frame, and that's good news for the airlines because those are your higher margin tickets.
Phil, great stuff. Thank you very much. Takes a lot to decide to cancel your vacation. Trade fears, perhaps? No.
I think the fear was business travel, deals, cross-border.
No, just making a lighthearted comment.